Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to practice affirmation gratitude on the Nabu application, on the daily quotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this play icon down below next to the T icon. That's the second button, and after that click on the quick boost button. Here you should say out this phrase loudly: I add something special to this world. Then when you are done, tap on the screen. I'm not ashamed or alone in having mental health struggles. I'm loved. I have the power to make an impact. So that was the daily positive affirmation practice. All you have to do is just tapping on this button and then start reading out these sentences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.